Nag-aantay na naman tayo ng train. Kung saan banda tayo abutan. Ayan, dito tayo sa train station. Settle down. Sandali.
Plane train. Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is for E-Gates. E as in echo.
You need it? ATL's got it. No matter your preference, we have something for you. Atlanta presents an opportunity to shop, find, and explore. We're thrilled you're here, and we hope to see you again soon. Welcome to Atlanta.
Kapatid, lalakad naman tayo dito sa Atlanta Airport, guys. Hahanapin ko na naman yung ano ko, gate 19 daw. Dito sa wings na to. Hanap-hanap din pag may time. Naiihi na, nagugutom na ako. Ewan ko. Nagugutom daw ako, kakain lang sa airplane. Hindi, naiihi ako. So, kumain naman tubig. Or, gate ay 19 na baktas baktas na dito sa Atlanta, guys. Ayan, A19 to dito. Nakita ko din. Sandali. Lapit lang, no? Dito wala pa. Anong oras na? Hindi ko alam kung anong oras na. Pero kasi ito, Philippine time. Oh. Dito yung pang-babae. Okay. Mga pang-babae yung CR. Oh. Yan. Pasok tayo dito. Yan ba? Yan, dumi. Ito, malinis yung CR nila. Pati bagahin, guys, pasok mo rin. Ay. Paghihilan din. Kasama ang bagahin dito sa loob ng CR. Ito yung CR nila dito. Malinis naman. Ayan. Boarding na, guys. Zone 1, Zone 3. Busy sa airport, no? Hindi malaman kung saan pupunta. Ayan, dito, guys, busy-busyhan din ako.
Zone 2, you are.
Now, zone 2 na ang pinapa-boarding, guys.
Zone 3, you are welcome aboard.
Oh, sabay-sabay na, amin na. Sa Sinday, habang biyahe. Traffic ulit dito sa amin, ano. Talaga, kahit saan traffic. Patay tayo dyan. Mali. Nagkamali ako ng upuan ko guys. Dumating ako dun sa dulo. Because may traffic. Because may traffic. I'm so sorry for that traffic.
Again, good afternoon to everyone just joining. Tonight is going to be a very full flight to Norfolk, Virginia. We're kindly asking that you hang on to those small bags. What are small bags? Your fanny packs, computer bags, purses, jackets, coats, and blazers. Please hang on to those items. Federal Aviation Administration states that all customers are to comply with crew members' instruction. If a crew member asks you to hang on to a jacket, coat, blazer, or small bag, please do so that we can have and accommodate the larger rollerboards into the overhead bin spaces. On this particular aircraft, your large rollerboard must go on its side like a book on a bookshelf. Again, your large rollerboard must go onto its side like a book on a bookshelf. Good evening and welcome aboard.
Guys, final destination Norfolk, 11:22 p.m. Ating gabi na guys. Ngayon pa lang dumating 24 oras na. Mahigit ang ano ko, tawag ito. Biyahe ko guys. Sakit sa tainga. Yan, nakita nyo naman. Sandali. Yan. Lakad tayo, lakad. Kasi hanapin ko yung asawa ko. Kaya siya banda. Taglamig na dito. Lamig na. Recorded ayan o, mga ano lang ang tako. Tinggabi na kaya. Last flight yata to, siguro. Last flight. Nakapagod. Sakit ang tayo, sakit sa puwet. Hindi ko alam bakit kumati yung taingan ko. Puno-puno ng tutuloy yata eh. Ito lang. Nakikita na kaya ng asawa ko. Hindi lang, hindi ako pupunta dito. Kaso wala tayong magawa. Dahil nandito yung asawa natin, pupuntahan natin. Diba? Hirap. Siguro nandun na yung asawa ko sa baggage counter. Doon ko siya hanapin. Lakad. Pagod. Wala nang katagtao.
The Transportation Security Administration has limited the size and quantity of items that are permitted through the security checkpoint. For more information, contact your air carrier or a TSA representative. Information can also be found online at tsa.gov.
Papunta na tayo sa baggage counter. Ground floor. Layo na ka rin. Pagod ako ay. Tawa-tawa lang ako. Pero pagod. Dahil lang tawa-tawa. Sinalam lang ako. Last trip na yata yung last flight na yata yung sinakit. Ating gabi na eh. Palabas na tayo. Ayan. Kasama ko. Nakakapagod. I thought you were downstairs. Asawa? I thought you're downstairs.
Sino doon?
Wala. I just...
Hello.
Hello, sweetheart. Nasawa ko. It's a long way. Ano?
You have a good cheer.
Yeah. Thank you.
They're kind to you.
Yeah. Waiting for my luggage.
Like my attire.
Yeah. You have a nice shirt. Where did you buy this?
From the Korean lady at the laundry.
Oh,
Somebody didn't pick it up, so I buy it for $5.
that's good.
Okay.
Wala luggage. Nasasakyan na kami. Uwi na kami. This is airport parking here. Ganda, oh. I have my Uber driver over there too. Ay, asawa.
Yeah, Uber driver.
Yeah. Allah. To the park. To the exits right there.
See the exit?
Oh, yeah. To the exit. Yeah.
Like that, like that. Like that, like that.
Sit na. Makatisitain ako. It's not it. Pop out, you know. They lost their mind. They don't know where they're going. They're confusing right now. That what floor? First floor? Second floor?
First.
Ah, just in
Yeah,
the
I guess it's second.
second floor. So this is a good one. Do they connecting from there, you know?
I think.
Kunti lang walking towards a car.
I know.
Not like before, it's a long way. You know, when I was in Shung, when I get out in the gate, exit gate to go to the terminal 2, remember? Across only the here and across.
That's it.
Oh yeah,
Malapit.
malapit. And I said, oh my God, before it's a long way to walk, and then you're lost if you don't pay attention, you know.
Yeah.
But pininda us in Atlanta before you pick up your luggage and put that in the check-in domestic. Mga tao doon, guys. Oh. We pay. Mga tao. $5? Okay. Pag di na tataas yung ano, iwa kami dito sa loob. Yan. Pag di tumaas yung kamay dyan. Delikado. Oh, taas na. Pauwi na kami. Bye-bye.